Hey there! Welcome to sidehustles.com. Today we're going to show you how to withdraw money from Dominoes Gold. We've tested the app ourselves and successfully cashed out. So while it might not be the fastest way to earn some cash, it's definitely legit. Let's go through the cash out process step by step using a credit card. Here's how to withdraw your earnings. Go to the menu in the bottom right corner, select Account, and tap on Withdraw. You'll see that we have 88 cents in bonus cash that we can't withdraw. Also, heads up, withdrawals under $10 have a $1.50 fee. The withdrawal amount will include any bonus cash and the fee. So, if your account balance is $8.80, you can only withdraw $6.42 after the fee. Click Next and confirm the withdrawal amount. After you're all set, you'll receive an email confirming the transaction. Dominoes Gold mentions that withdrawals can take up to 6 weeks to process, but when we made our withdrawal, we got the money the same day. And that's it. We hope this guide was helpful. For more tips on using Dominoes Gold, swing by sidehustles.com or check out the link in the description below.